Have you been annoyed by the USF Library DLL pop-up ruining your productivity? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support specialist. Let's analyze Ableton Application dependency and restore that missing file. To start the walkthrough for USF Library, you can use my manual guide or the suggested resource for system optimization. This is the USF Library, the Adobe Universal Subtitle Format library. It provides unmanaged routines for rendering and synchronizing video subtitles, facilitating the visual multimedia manifest for data links. With that context in mind, our first logical step is a clean reinstallation. Usflib is typically installed with Ableton Application. Reinstalling the latest official version of Ableton Application from the official source will restore any missing or corrupted application files, including USF Library DLL. If you are still encountering the error after following the official setup, it's time to investigate the underlying system architecture. If your system has been running for an extended period, a reboot might be necessary to resync your background processes and clear any temporary locks on the USF library file. To avoid losing your place during the restart, bookmark this page now, or hit the like button to save this video to your library for easy access later. Still seeing the error? Let's move to the next actionable step in our guide. You can pause the video here if you're still waiting for your desktop to load. Rebooting didn't restore the monitoring tools, so let's run a command to reset the performance indicators. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type lodctr/r, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, these files rarely suffer from physical corruption. Instead, their registration in the performance hive becomes desynced. This command purges those stale entries and rebuilds the registry links. Before you finalize your changes, I need to emphasize the importance of using trusted sources. From a diagnostic standpoint, a missing USF Library DLL error is often just a symptom of a larger system conflict that a simple manual download is incapable of fully resolving. To complement these security best practices, you may want to consider using a diagnostic resource to help manage your system's library references. Maintain a more reliable system by reviewing the software resource below related to managing USF library references. If this engineering-focused approach to fixing USF library was helpful, please like the video and subscribe to stay updated on Windows security protocols.